Hello all. So in continuation to what's new in Business Central 2023 release wave 2, we'll talk about one very simple but very useful feature for users. What is open in my browser tab? Because you end up as a user opening multiple tabs while using Business Central and can be pretty tricky to know what is open on my browser tab. So with this small enhancement, Microsoft made life easier for our customers while they are doing multitasking. And the Microsoft release note says when users work more efficiently in Business Central when they use multiple browser tabs or windows to compare data, even across companies or deal with new tasks that appear. So now it's pretty easy when they use multi browser tabs to understand where they are, and it's easier to switch the context. Now, let's understand what was there and what has been changed into this release. So for that, let me open Business Central 2022. This is my BC 2022 sandbox. If I'm on a customer page, it says customer. If I even open a customer card, and it should open, it failed for a while. Let me refresh it. So eventually, it'll give me the detail of the record that I'm in. So let's wait for it. Okay, so it opened. Now, if you look at it here on the top, it says customer card, edit customer card. Now, if I go back, it just says customers, or no, it doesn't even say customer, it says business manager. Now, it's pretty tricky, the person who have multiple tabs open, to understand which screen he or she is in. So, what now I can do in Business Central 2023 is if I'm on a customer card, the the ribbon on your browser tab changes. Now it tells me it's on customer. Oh, and it saves the analyze mode. Nice. Okay. So when I'm a customer, it tells me that I'm on a customer list. If I open the card, now it tells me that I'm actually on a customer card for customer number 10,000. What happens if I on my another tab open vendors and open a vendor? It now tells me that I'm on a vendor card. And that's just not it. There are other features on it. So this one improves the readability for the tabs that are open, and user is easily able to understand where he is in. But what happens if I go ahead and do my in my company information, if I change here my company batch to be, let's say, demo. As soon as I do that, I'll have to close and open my browser or refresh this. So let's just quickly refresh this and see what changes on my browser ribbon. Did it change the information that I was seeing or not? Because then it gives me more context when I'm comparing data between companies. So if I'm comparing, let's say, a customer list on a customer company where the ribbon is set to demo, I can actually see the demo here. Also on the record that I have, plus the context of it based on the system indicator. So now the system indicator info will also be available on your tab listed here, which says customer card 10,000 demo. So there are three features into it. One, it helps you to improve the readability of the browser tab to understand where you are in. Second, it tells you and it automatically updates the tab based on different actions you're doing. So if you are on a list page, it'll tell you the list page name. If you are on a filtered list page, let's say open sales order, it'll show you sales order open. If you are on an individual record, as we saw, it'll say customer card, if it's a customer number, the primary key of it, and its description. If you are on a setup page, it shows you the setup page name, like sales and inventory forecast setup. If you are creating a new record, then it'll say new customer card. And if you are on your home screen or role center page, it'll tell you that you are on Dynamics 365 Business Central, just the home page. So that helps you to give the context to the browser tab where you are in. And if you are using system indicator, then it also adds the system indicator for the users understanding that which company or which company he is accessing that particular tab record from. So if you like the video, hit the like button. If you think it's shareable and people should know about it, do share this. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you sooner than later with the next video in this series.